Welcome back. We're tracking some rain and thunderstorms moving in from the north and west. Out ahead of that line, we have definitely some warm air for it to feed off of. Temperatures right now in the lower 70s across the area. Port Arthur at 69, but everybody else at about 70 or between 70 and 73 for this morning. Take you real quickly outside to Jasper, where conditions are quiet there around the Jasper County Courthouse on our Roofy 911 Live Skycam network. This camera brought to you by Provalis. And you can see there are a few isolated showers up around the Jasper area, a couple of heavy downpours here. Most of the area is fairly quiet. We have a couple of spotty showers here and there. Can't help but notice, though, that line of rain and thunderstorms to our north and west. Right now, just starting to come into the northern parts of Tyler County. And like I said, a couple of heavier downpours starting to develop across northern parts of Jasper and Newton County. So we'll watch this line right now. Not a lot of lightning with it. So as it comes in, I think the biggest thing we're going to see is some wind gusts, maybe around, say, 25 to 35 miles per hour. And just some very heavy rainfall for a little bit of time, maybe 30 minutes or so before you kind of get on the backside of that initial line, and then you'll be dealing with a little bit of rain through probably a couple of hours for this morning. I want to take you far south. This is south or west of Houston, and this is the main part of the line where we're seeing most of the severe weather. There's a severe thunderstorm warning out right now west of Houston. You can see all the lightning associated with this large thunderstorm cell. Now that's tracking to the north and east along this main line, so we'll have to wait and see how it holds together as we go through the next couple of hours, if it tracks all the way up into parts of southeast Texas. So I'm watching this one very closely, but right now it's well to our south and west. It's going to take probably at least a couple of hours for it to reach southeast Texas here, if it gets here at all. So something I'm watching out for this morning. We do have flash flood watch out through the entire area. There is a tornado watch, but it's off towards our west and northwest. This goes until about 8 o'clock this morning, and not seeing any chatter from the National Weather Service about extending that over into southeast Texas here, at least in the short term. We'll have to wait and see how things develop through the rest of the morning. But right now, expecting just some heavy rains this morning and maybe some gusty winds. But we're still under that threat for severe weather. You can see an enhanced risk through Orange County, Newton County, back through parts of Jefferson County, a slight risk right through the middle of the viewing area, and then just a marginal risk through northern Tyler County and western Hardin County, where that line is already approaching. And right now it looks like just some rain with that. And as we head over towards Louisiana, that's where we see a moderate risk. If you have travel plans over to places like Lafayette, maybe even Lake Charles later this morning into this afternoon, be weather aware. A good chance of maybe some severe weather over there. Here's the big picture, and you can see the line stretching from the Midwest all the way back down in through southeast Texas for this morning. You can see a couple of these tornado watches, one posted to our north, one out towards our west, and this line pushing down into the area. Part of the line is weakened, but like I said, that southern edge there, that's where we're seeing that severe thunderstorm, something we'll be watching. But once these fronts go through a little bit later on this morning, things will look a little bit better. It's all being drove by this area of low pressure, where you can see spinning here, heading up into parts of the Midwest. So south of that is where we're seeing all the energy, and those line of rain and thunderstorms kind of move through the area. Here's kind of a timing on everything. By 7 o'clock, we're definitely going to be seeing some heavy rains through parts of Tyler County. As we head towards 8 o'clock, some of the heavier rains should start to move into Hardin County, Tyler, northern Jasper. 9 o'clock, it should be right over the area. Most of us will be seeing some of the heavy rain, and then by 10 o'clock, it starts to move off towards the east. 11, it should be out of here. 12, it should be out of here. The afternoon looks sunny as temperatures climb into the upper 70s, and then this evening we fall quickly through the 60s, 50s, and by tomorrow morning it turns chilly. Clear skies tomorrow morning with temperatures back into the 40s. So morning thunderstorms, still a severe threat out there. We're going to be watching for that. Temperatures this afternoon, sunny in the upper 70s. Tonight, back into the 40s, turning chilly. And as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, really after this morning, check out the next 7 days. Some cool mornings, chilly mornings. Afternoons look great. Sunny skies almost every day through the weekend.
Yeah, well, as long as we can make it through this morning, boy, I'm telling you, the rest of the week, I mean, there is light at the end of the tunnel.
Oh, for sure. And like I said, most of this rain and thunderstorms should be out of here by 10, 11 o'clock this morning. So it's not even going to last till lunchtime, I don't think. So just kind of keep an eye out to the sky. I'm tracking it for you this morning. Right now, no warnings. We have that flash flood watch. That's about it.
All right. Good news. Let's hope that it stays calm.
Yeah.
We'd like to be prepared and hopefully don't get hit with anything severe. So we'll keep watching. Thank you, Jeff.